Hi everyone, here we've got POCO X3 Pro and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So firstly we have to enter the settings and now let's scroll in order to find the passwords and security. Right now we have to scroll again and tap on the privacy, and as you can see here on the very first position we've got SIM lock and the name of the SIM card we are currently using, we've got currently inserted. So simply tap on it, and as you can see on the second position we've got change SIM pin option, so let's tap on it. Right now we have to enter our current pin, so let me do it and confirm it with OK, and here we can enter our new SIM pin. So let me enter 4 zeros for example. Okay, confirm it with OK. We have to retype it, so again. Okay, and as you can see the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so it means that after restarting your device for example you will have to enter this new SIM pin in order to activate the whole device. So actually that's all. This is how to change SIM pin in your POCO X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.